Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video we are going to walk through how to apply a Qatar visa using Hayya Portal. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Hayya Portal. Here on this main page, you have the link, start the Hayya journey. So if you click on this, this will give you options like flying to Qatar. So you are going to Qatar. It's going to ask your nationality. What is your nationality? You need to as per your own case. Okay. Are you a GCC resident? I click no. So for me, like tourist entry A1. So how much it cost? 100 paid upon final approval. Under certain conditions, this cost can be exempted. Wow. Single entry using one, non-refundable, non-transferable. Okay. And you can apply also from here. Okay. So this application auto save as you fill it out and will also save any parts you complete. Okay. In one go or over time. Okay. Perfect. So they have just asked like these things. Application section, you will need copy of your personal photo, ID or passport, hotel booking or host information. Okay. So let's go through this. Start your application. So if you have come for the very first time here, you need to sign up. So email address, password, given name, surname, and conditions to accept. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. Okay, guys. So what happens? It sends a verification code to your email that you have to enter, and it does it twice before you can proceed. But anyway, once the verification is done, you reach to this place. So now it is asking for the purpose, why you want to go there. So based on your situation, so you need what you need: digital photograph, valid a photo ID, details of your onward hotel booking. Okay. So click next. So it's asking to photo, identification document, and then they will automatically extract it. So let me go through these steps, then I'm gonna see you guys. Hey guys, unfortunately I'm not able to go beyond this because they have like strong photo and other verification, and that my details are failing. Maybe I need to do it manually later. But you got an idea. You can go through this online wizard. It's very simple. Later they're gonna ask you about your accommodation, residence, and any other details that a general visa application has related to your trip, like where you're gonna stay, money, and other things. And that's it. If it is done, then you are all good to go. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.